Some people say that Kismet from Alhambra is a clone for Tuxedo for the house of Yves Saint Laurent, and there is another people say that this fragrance is a clone for Moustache, the eau de parfum concentration from the house of Rocha. So this is the doesn't matter. So it's up to you to which one it close. What I notice here, and definitely that is this fragrance is not smell cheap as a lot of clones. Kismet for Man, I think this is one of the masterpieces from the house of Alhambra, and you're gonna know all these things together. The presentation take my attention. I find that the bottle or the box came with the black color, and the name of the fragrance Kismet with the logo comes with the golden color. We see Kismet for Man or the perfume 100 milliliter, the size of the juice. In the back side we see also the name Kismet with the ingredient, and in the bottom there is the composition of the fragrance. On the top there is the logo of Alhambra company, and in the bottom of the box the name Kismet. When you open the box you will find that this presentation is luxury instead of the fragrance is so cheap. Also the name Kismet for Man with the golden color and the logo inside this box. I find this presentation very beautiful. You can give this fragrance as a gift to your friend or to your husband, whatever you want. When you hold the bottle, you will find that is a simple bottle, as same as all Alhambra perfumes. In the front side there is the name of the fragrance Kismet for Man with the logo Alhambra, and the cap comes with the yellow color. It's heavy little bit to protect the sprayer, and in the sides of the bottle there is this design. It's beautiful, okay, but the presentation of the bottle is classical, not something new, but I love really the box how it comes. Kismet for Man from the house of Alhambra contain in the opening contain the nutmeg and woods, blend of woods. In the middle note we have cacao, we have coffee, also sandalwood and the patchouli. In the base there is the vetiver mixed with the vanilla. Definitely here I have the opening and the dry down here. When you spray Kismet for Man in the first time, you will see that there is a little bit of chippery side. Some people think that this is like lemon, orange, something like that, fresh. No, this is the patchouli. The patchouli, it's responsible of this chippery side of the fragrance. When you spray it, there is a blend and a great combo between the patchouli and the vanilla. This is the opening of Kismet for Man. But there is a big difference between the opening and the dry down. When it's a dry totally, you will find this fragrance become balsamic, powdery, sweet little bit, but not great sweetness. Also it's earthy on the dry down, This is a dry down of Kismet, so it's changed by the time to translate to make this transition between the opening and the dry down through the middle note that contain that coffee and cacao, the patchouli, the woods. You're gonna smell. You cannot smell coffee directly or cacao directly. No, all these ingredients are playing together the role to give you this powdery, sweet, earthy, balsamic scent. So this is the scent of Kismet for Man by the House of Alhambra. Why I highly recommend to try this fragrance at least one time in your life. Instead of it clone for tuxedo or mustache, this fragrance doesn't smell cheap as a lot of fragrances or clones from Middle East. This fragrance is a smell like high quality when we compare the quality ingredient with the price that is not over $20 or $25 max. So this is a great deal. Also, the blend between the patchouli and the woods uh, make the scent very beautiful and classy at the same time. I recommend this fragrance for men and not for women. It's only for men who are over or who are mature person. He know what he do, and he are very responsible. And also the scent is so beautiful if you wear it in the professional occasions with tie. Also, this fragrance is so class and formal scent. The longevity here is from moderate to good, and the sillage is also good in the 2 and 3 first hours. So thank you for watching this episode. This is Kismet for Man from the House of Alhambra. This fragrance that contain a great ingredient and a clean ingredient, and it's clone of Tuxedo by the House of Yves Saint Laurent, or it's similar to Moustache from the House of Rocha. Really, I love the scent and how it smells. If you want to make a collection, I recommend this one to be in your collection. But if you want a fragrance for all the year, this is not for you, but because this one is for some special occasions. Thank you, and see you in another Discovering Fragrances.